Good morning. We're in Preston. We're in Longridge, Preston, just outside. It's like Wetherby or Leeds. It's quite a nice area. This is for my wife's cousin and her partner, Scott. And yeah, it's like it's 10 to 10 and it's -1. It's 10 to 10 because we got stuck in traffic, man. It just took ages to get in here. But because they ordered skip yesterday, we was like, there's no rush. Skip. Whenever I order a skip, it comes at 2 o'clock, not at bloody 8 o'clock. So, anyway, it's here, so we can crack on. But I'm just going to show you something that I did yesterday. I'm going to tell you something that I did yesterday. So, I was driving from mine to pick Tom up over past the train station, coming down. I was sat in traffic, and this guy, it was like -4. This guy was trying to de-ice his car with his phone case. Like, he took his phone out, trying to de-ice it, and he's scraping and scraping it. It was like trying to sand a wall down. It just taking ages and ages. So my lights were just about to go to green. So I chucked him my scraper, and then I was like, oh my god, I ain't got a scraper, because I just couldn't fall, lads, you know what I mean? So next thing, we got that to MKM, and then they always give us like hoodies. We've got a couple of MKM hoodies just in case these get wet through. They're just in van. We're not advertising them, are we? So next thing, goes back in for a brush. I'm like, got any freebies? So I'm like, oh yeah. We got a MKM hat, Leeds United colours, even though their main sponsor are Hull City, whatever. And then it gave me a scraper. If that's not a sign, if that is not a sign from the gods, here we go. That's beauty, and it works as well. It's a good one. So yeah, that's yesterday's act of kindness. Worked well. So let's go get some Astroturf. Let's go get it dug. Look at that view. It's well nice, isn't it? Shame it's in Lancashire, but got a pub over the road. We did all this path a few years ago, about 4 years ago I think, and did in here, and obviously got a playpen, zoom out a bit, playpen, turfed it, Indian stoned it, but yeah, basically I'm not getting sun. And once again, we've got a dog, spaniel, runs around like a nutter, so it's just a bog. And they've got their own pub, it's a pub outside the house, so it's quite big in there. So you can't do walking from the house and then in all the time, and they just want to be in there eating on. Kids play out if they want to play out. So yeah, so we're astroturfing it. So we've got a 4 metre roll from here, roughly to about here, somewhere here, another 4 metre roll, so there's a join there, and then that 4 metre roll runs over to here, and then that is 4 metres. So it does work out. I think we might need a little flag at that end, but obviously I've over measured this side by a whisker, so it might push over. But yeah, quite sheltered, no wind, clear skies. It's supposed to be cold tonight, like, but just get this dug out, 3 to 4 inch. But we put drains in from Tom down here, and then we fed them across, and there's a manhole somewhere there. We all fed them into that manhole, so it is quite a good area, to be honest with you. It'll be mint in here. It'll be mint. Yeah, let's get this dig on. So we've got all that dug out. We've just set off. Half 4. Stuck in traffic. There's some roadworks down here, but it's taking forever. So yeah, we've took 3, mainly 4 inches out of all of it. The skip is full, so we've done well there. Normally it can go on forever and ever, but it's like just short of 90 square meters, so we've done well to get it in one skip, to be fair. But yeah, tomorrow we will be putting hardcore in and timber framing, but that might be a bit hard on curves and stuff, you know what I mean. But yeah, let's have it. Have a good evening, guys, and I'll see you in the morning.